All right, guys, so this is how to use Irwin Quick Grip. These are a very handy tool if you need a spare set of hands. So this can be adjusted. If you want it closer, you can push together. If you want to release and go backwards, you can push this button lever here and release it. If you need to grab something real close, you can go like this, and it takes a while to get there, or you can just kind of push it on so it gets tight on there. And then if you want to increase the, once you get it close, you just press this to get harder, to grip it more, I guess I should say. So just like that, and if you have something in there, you want to grip it more. Once it gets that resistance, it's going to hold on really tight. This would like pretty easily break my hand. So it's super easy to push this too. I use this to install, to hold, what I was putting up, party plank soffits, and you use this to hold that up on there. So the grips are really good and super handy to have if you need an extra set of hands and you don't have anyone around to help you. This can be taken off this end and switch the other. You can just unscrew this and that comes out, and it can just slide off to the other end if you want to. So put it back, just screw it back on. So, and if you want to release it, you can make this tight, and then you want to release, make sure you just press this one, you feel the tension, and then pull it back to wherever you want it. So that's how that works. These have a little tool here as well, don't they? So actually it looks like these yellow ones come off. I'm not exactly sure how to do that. The pads come off, and it looks like if you were to press in or something, or possibly a screwdriver or something to get that off. I've actually never dealt with that. I just noticed that just now pretty much. So anyways, be that as it may, that's how to use the quick grip. If you keep this lubricated, it's gonna slide a little easier too. So not a bad idea. I shouldn't let it get that rusty. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.